Alright, y'all. About to set off on this journey. This young road trip. You know. Grab the keys. Open the door. But, we on for a long one. A nice 3-hour drive. There. 3-hour drive back. Keep hold of that. Bad grades are scary. But, they said 3-hour drive there, 3-hour drive back. Oh, snap. Anyways, in the truck now. Probably not gonna record there. I will record driving back. If I can open this mail. All this little extra security stuff. Just open. Just talking about UB graduate school education. Okay. So I will go put this mail in the house, and then we will be on the road, and then I will come back maybe when we get some gas. Then after the gas station, I'm gonna see y'all in Ohio. Yes, sir, at the gas station right now. You know what I'm saying? Filling it up at the pump. Yes, sir. I will be driving there and back. I will just be driving, you know what I'm saying, Big B, Suburban. Yes, sir. So after this, I will see y'all in Ohio. So be waiting on that Ohio trip. Be there.
Listening in the sun right now.
What? That joint mean? Oh, look how mean it look in the front. That joint hard. You gotta pull over.
Bust out here. That's Honda right there.
Word. Oh, daily joint.
Hold on.
That joint really mean as heck. Nah, that's fire. Nah, that joint is hot.
Watch the fire hydrant.
I mean, the park.
Yeah,
in front of
him. Yeah.
That's crazy. I thought it was a white dude.
Oh man, I wonder if he got a razor.
Yo. Chill. TSWs? mean. Yo! Yo! Crazy, son. Crazy. I don't even crazy. 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 Look at the pipe size, dog. That's almost a knuckle. Continentals. There we go. Oh, it's in it?
Yeah, like that.
All right, straight. This triangle.
Oh, that seat. I'm sure that seat works. I think they one thing. That should always work. I got the key. Oh, okay. Okay. This is what I it'll never go nowhere. That's what I always kept it. Won't come out when you ain't gotta worry about it. Right, yeah. Oh, that's the remote. Light, I just changed one of the brake lights. About a month ago. I will put my sticker. Yo, you mind if I use your bathroom right quick? Not at all. Just feel like the radio and all that stuff back. Okay.
I'm straight. Oh, you already know. I got you. I got you. Yo, this guy is nuts. I don't even like Camaros, bro. I don't even like Camaros. Yo! First time ever sitting in like a muscle car running. Besides the little Charger, you know, I ain't sitting in the front seat of that driver's seat yet. I sat in a Mustang, but it wasn't running. This is running. This is crazy. I don't even like Camaros. Yo! Yo! Oh, we gotta get some young gas, homie. Yo, I don't even like Camaros. One pretty thing. Camaro is one pretty thing. One pretty thing there. One pretty thing. I don't even like Camaros, man. Woo-hoo. Hit it, Nut. One pretty thing, I must say.
Oh shit, I didn't even know this was like this down here.
Oh, this little thing. Yeah. Out here.
It's a new car.
We out
It's a
here.
new
Come on,
car.
Elf.
Wait till Elijah.
It's a new car.
Elijah, put them horseshoes on real quick.
Yeah. Slip them on. New radio. Dude, right.
That's a jack. That's a
Onto
jack.
the new car.
That's a Stingray out there.
Where?
Oh,
Oh,
that's
they
a
drove.
oh.
Oh, it drove past?
No,
it's sitting right there.
Somebody's driveway.
It's a new car.
yeah.
It is.
That must be his
All
new
right.
jack because he.
Alright.
Let me see. Excuse me.
Where
is that?
What? What?
I know it's a new car. What? Oh! I'm sorry.
That's your dad.
That's my dad. Oh my god.
So is this a rental?
This is my car, dude.
It's open.
Oh my
Money
god.
way, the long way,
Oh my god.
the rich way.
Dad, what is this? What car?
Camaro.
Dude, I'm getting in. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Hold on, Els.
Juvia, really?
What?
It's 2 doors.
Get
You
out.
know that?
Oh.
Get up.
Out.
She gotta get your little skinny self up.
Phone one.
Ready for this?
Turn it on. You drove it up?
I drove the truck.
Huh?
Stop, Julian.
Something up with the muffler? Are you kidding?
I'm not getting in. What are you doing? Get up.
I
No.
want to go for a spin.
No.
There you go, I mean.
Oh my god, I know you excited on that scene.
Uh-huh.
Camaro on the thing and everything. Driving in the truck because this only got 4 seats. What does MSL mean, man? Or MS?
Choking me.
Or
Alright, can you get up?
That's
TFW?
oh, those the
Oh, take us for a
Oh, the
spin.
rim.
That's just the brand.
SS. What does that mean?
Super Sport.
Huh?
Super Sport.
Super Sport.
No, get out, cause it's not enough space. Okay, I'll just go in the back.
No, ain't no space back there. There's stuff back there, Els.
Can you take us for a spin? Please.